Alright guys, thanks for joining me in another video here for SyllaFX. So, in this video, we're going to do a quick market analysis on the euro-dollar pair on the 15-minute chart and take a look at see how a entry zone is actually set up for a potential trade for us to take. So, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so we always going to start off on the 4-hour chart on the euro-dollar pair on that time frame to go ahead and set up our major support and resistance levels. So what do we have here on this currency pair here? So we have a support level way down here from the previous rejections that was broken. We have another support level that was rejected for a moment, and price seems to just be kind of going up and down through it at the moment. And then we have a major resistance at the top from that nice rejection wick that was created. So we'll move down to the 1-hour chart, look at the general direction of the price. So if we zoom out a little bit, we don't really have a good direction. Price is kind of consolidating in a channel at the moment. We do seem to be creating a little bit of lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, but we're not actually creating lower lows yet. So we don't really look for sell positions at this point. So based off of this alone, even though we are creating lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, I'm still looking for a buy position here. So let's go down to the 15-minute chart and take a better look at it and see if we can find an entry zone for potential trade. So if we look at this here, we have kind of a rejection that was set up at this support level here. Now this is only a temporary support level. We just want to be aware of that here. So if we have that set up, what we see here is that prices already came down to that zone and it seems to be rejecting it at this point here. So if I'm looking for a potential entry zone on this trade, what I would be doing is setting up something like this. And this is pretty quick and simple. Have a little bit of a demand level that I would indicate here, and then what I would be waiting for price to do is basically looks like what it's actually doing now. Get a little price moving up, a little buying power coming in, hopefully for the Asian session that's coming up. It's about 7 p.m. Eastern time right now on Sunday, November the 20th. So if we get something like this and then price comes back down into that zone and we get the confirmation, the rejection wicks for it to indicate that it wants to bounce off of that zone and potentially start moving back up. This may be a valid buy position at that entry zone. So if we get something like this, this will be a nice little trade, a quick trade, because even though the chart is zoomed in, it looks like a lot of movement, it's really not. I mean, these are kind of a small gaps in between here because it's not a lot of volume in the market right now anyways. But if we have this entry zone down here set up and we get the confirmation and the rejection, this will be a nice little quick buy position for a quick 30 pips that I would be aiming for on this trade here. So stop loss would only be about maybe 10 pips or so. And then as long as we get that, I would be aiming for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Give us about 30 pips right before we get into that major resistance level at the top here. So that would be our exit point because we don't know what price is going to do at that level. But a nice little entry at that entry zone there for a buy position. Stop loss is pretty tight, only 10 pips. This would be a nice quick quick buy position for 30 pips on that here. So as far as the euro-dollar pair, that's all I got for you guys on this entry zone. If you guys are interested in learning the trading strategies that I use on a daily basis, you can visit SyllaFX.com. The course is available there. Better yet, if you want to actually receive entry zones like this on the euro-dollar pair, I do offer the VIP entry zones group where you will get 3 to 6 different entry zones for different currency pairs every weekday during market hours for Forex trading, right? Now, if you are part of the VIP entry zones group, there's also additional benefits to that. You will get access to the live sessions that I host for my live trading that I have with my students. You will also get the full SyllaFX Forex trading course at no extra cost to you if you are part of that membership group here. So if you are interested in joining that, definitely visit SyllaFX.com. Just to wrap up this video, if you're watching this on YouTube, definitely like and subscribe. And if you want to get notified when you got different new content available or when I go live for my streams, hit that notification bell as well. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Want to become a full-time trader? Start making more money today without a full-time 9-to-5 or working graveyard shifts. With SyllaFX, you'll receive trade entry zones every day for different currency pairs. This also includes the full SyllaFX trading course, live trading sessions, and the Discord community of profitable traders. Visit SyllaFX.com today and join the VIP entry zones group and start winning your trades with the simple and easy to follow trade entries and watch your profits grow each day. Go to SyllaFX.com now and join the entry zones group.